is just a trailer. अभी असली picture बाकी है.
Infrastructure that is already built up so amazingly that now, sir, we are pampered, but now we want more.
I would say कि अभी तक जो हुआ है ये तो सिर्फ ट्रेलर था, असली पिक्चर अभी बाकी है. So as you all know that now more infrastructure is coming. Now the coastal road will be extended up to Bhayandar. We have already started the work. So the north coastal road from Bandra to Warsaw, Warsaw to Dahisar to Bhayandar, and hopefully this year itself from Bhayandar's Uttan to Virar will plan India's longest sea link. So today India's longest bridge is Atal Setu, 22 kilometers. Now this will be around 30 kilometers of sea bridge which we are planning, and hopefully by beginning of next year we should be able to start the work, or we should be able to get the entire approvals. Apart from that, when you come to this BKC in the peak time, and now that the bullet train is coming, it will be entirely missed because of the traffic. So now we have planned twin tunnels from the Bandra area where you land at Varli Bandra Sea Link. From there, two tunnels will directly come to the BKC. So entire traffic will come from through those tunnels. Those tunnels will also go to the airport, and from airport it will again connect to the coastal road. So entire this area will be seamlessly connected. And again, for New Mumbai Airport, we are also now building this Varli to Shivdi link, which will be over by end of this year. We are also, we have started building one tunnel from Orange Gate to Chowpatty, where when you land to land on this Eastern Expressway, then now it takes around 45 minutes to come to this side, but it will take just 3 minutes. And again, the Eastern Freeway that will be now extended from Chedanagar up, that will go to the Thane, and that will directly connect Thane. And again, we are building Virar Alibag corridor. So entirely, if you look at what we are building in terms of roads, bridges and tunnels, there is entire loop, east-west connectivity, north-south connectivity. Entire Mumbai will be seamless, coupled with our metro network, which is expanding, which is becoming 400 kilometers. So I think that in years to come, you will see more and more infrastructure. And I must also tell you that Mumbai is India's first city which has now 2 airports. Now we are building 3rd airport near Virar. So that 3rd airport will also be, India's first offshore airport. So I think, I can talk on infrastructure, but I have to catch a flight. So I think, as I have rightly said, this is just a trailer. अभी असली पिक्चर बाकी है.